Hello guys, we're back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use GoogleMaps.com. First, you get on the website and then you type in your destination. Second, you're going to drag the little yellow guy to a blue line. A blue line because you get to scroll around on blue lines. I'll talk to you about blue dots in a couple minutes. So the blue line, you can see a ton of different angles and a ton of cool images and stuff. Second, you are going to be dragging to a blue dot, okay? And this will help you see pictures of Liberty Island. See, good picture right there, and from one of the viewers, and it says it on the top left-hand corner on who took this picture and when the picture was taken. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice rest of your day or night. Peace.